Hello friends, today we're gonna draw a minion, so let's get started. Start off by drawing two circles near to each other. Then, draw a circle on each eye and add two smaller circles inside each of those circles. Then, draw some round lines around the outer perimeter of the circles for the eyes. Now, add some square shapes on each side of the eyes. Good job! Let's move on to next step. Then, draw a curved line over from one side of the goggles to the other. Draw a U-shape coming down from the sides of the goggles. Now, draw a curved line for the mouse. Then, draw the blue denim overalls. Now, finish off by drawing his short stubby legs at the bottom of his body. And use some straight lines going down from his body with his gloves at the end of the arms. Let's move on to the coloring part. Yellow. Sky blue. Gray. Brown. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.